I am existing. I am live. We are streaming. We are trying to get Cockatiel working. For whatever freaking reason. Shut up! Shut up! There we are. Screw up. Alright, there we are. So, yeah. So, what I will be doing because of that is, we will be frickin', working on Cockatiel some more. My little streamer thingy, so hopefully this can get all working and good and groovy and good and groovy and good and good and groovy and good and groovy, yeah? Yeah. So, because of that, yeah, I'm just gonna slam right into it and then see where we're going. So if I recall correctly, all this was loading properly now. As if I do load config, show, yeah, you work, toggle, that still makes me happy. Those work, I believe these two work, so if I say update frequency is 15, max results per page is 11, let's save the config, we'll reload it. Did I have any more debugging to do with that? Load config. So update config isn't working. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Oh yeah, also my camera broke, so we're stuck like this. So yeah, anyways, let's get going, shall we? So, we want this, tab new. Then what we want is we want some of this action. I just remembered my, keyboard is not very happy with the KVM. For some reason, as soon as I start streaming, it being pointed at the KVM is just like, ha, I don't want to work now. Screw you, fucking idiot. So, yeah, so with that being said, I'm going to try and plug in my keyboard directly to hopefully make it a bit better. And then let's go from there. Shall we? Haha, muhi, ha, ha. So, where are we going from this? We got to fix update frequency real quickly. So then we just need, we want some of that. Woo, we don't want to open up a new thing. Whoops. Project find. I just want the YouTube stuff. Yep. Whoop. 5ZR. Whoa, I thought I did 5ZR. ZR. No. That's not working. Why is ZR not working? ZR. Alright, that worked there. Okay. Here's the press the wrong key. Cool! I love it when things work exactly how I expect them to. Here, let me do one more thing real quickly as well. Just to make sure existence is vibing correctly. Can I put this over here? Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. Okay, there we are. Awesome. Yeah, that's the way I want to rock. Okay. Anyway, so from here, yeah, so let's see. We gotta look up below. Oh no, it's gonna be in here. Oh wait, no, this is the index.js. I want the index.html. The html. Let's see. So let's see, where am I going with this? So what I want to do is I want to get the load. Load, let's see, previous API key. How deep am I? I should be going towards the bottom. Or towards the top, I should say. So yeah, there's the load config. And then the code thing should be here. So I'm looking for load underscore YouTube config button. That makes sense. So then let's see. So we got the YouTube underscore thing here. I'm just gonna make let's just make a mark here. What do I want to make this mark? I'll just make it load, I guess. Oh no, it's mload. And then I want to then go to, say, where the heck is it? Up here. To wherever it's defined. Which I guess I'll make B for the button. So load is here. So what am I doing here? So yeah, we're probably not getting the load properly. So, what is the definition of the index thing? Update freak. For update frequency. Update FREQ. How much you want to bet? It's just because I'm saving it as a lowercase instead of an uppercase. Let's see. No, it's update frequency. Okay. Let's see. Does it say here update frequency? YouTube.update frequency value 15. Okay. So is it not saving correctly then? Oh no, it is saving. It's not loading correctly. My apologies. Let's see. Console.log. Let's try the YT config. YT underscore config. Doop-a-doop. Heckin' yeah. Yeah. Let's see. So we're gonna try do this. API vol. Whoop. Vol. Let's hide you. Max results per update. I don't know. Let's do something like 7. Update frequency. Let's do like 13. Save. Load. Okay, so it's getting the value. So if we refresh this and then we load it, it should load. It did load. Okay, so I forget what I even did. I just wanted to see if it was working. So if I then do something like this is my API key, and I do, vol byte instead, and I do max results per page will be like, I don't know, 99. And then I do update frequency is 99, because those are an obvious number. Let's save the config. It says it's saved. We reload the page, so now it should be refreshed. If I then go to here, and then I go to load config. Yep, it seems to be working. Cool. Awesome. Okay. Now we can actually make some headway. Heck yeah. I forgot to share the stream. Fuck. I have tried, but I am stupid because fuck. Let's see. For the stream. Doop. At stream ping. Stream ping. Guess who live? Okay, there's that. Let me do a quick Twitter and Blue Sky one real quickly. Twitter.com. I don't acknowledge the former. Let's see. Let's do something like let's do this, I guess. Guess who live? There we are. Awesome. Just gonna copy that. Post. Awesome. Awesome, cool, and awesome. Yeah. Okay. So then from there, I then need to do one more for Bisky. Because that's where the majority of the people that I communicate with exist. Ooh, look at this. I got a follower. If I scroll down, there's not at least... Yep, there is 2 tweets. It is probably bot. Unfortunately. If not, then epic, and I apologize to whoever that might be, but... Yeah... Time... Dum. Okay, so once that is finished going boobity boop, then now I can exist and have my mind rest at peace because I am live. Actually, wait, I'm curious. I want to check the last result because I'm curious what y'all said now. So, for those of you who are unaware, on mi channel, I did a little poll a little bit ago asking art. You all seem to be relatively in favor of the art streams. Neat. Bakugan. And then, yeah, you all want the clicky switches. They're coming soon. But yeah, that's that. I thought it'd be fun to share, because why not? Okay, now that my ADHD attack is over, let's do this. So, what I want to do now is I want to say, so in start monitoring, start space monitoring. There is a start, oh, it's because it's in the other one. Start space monitoring, there we are. So now in start monitoring, I want to effectively create a game loop, and that game loop is going to be basically like, hey, do these things. So, how do I want to do that? So, we have all this. I'm doing the whole load config. What are these things? Constant lag out of a value, 2 keys, not null. These don't seem like settings I need. Why do these seem to be doing this? Load YouTube config button. That makes sense, but why is that down here? That should be up higher. Like, I don't hate it at all existing. It's just that it shouldn't exist there. So let's fix that, shall we? Script type equals module. Okay, now I want to go for these. Oh no, I remember because we were trying to bundle it all in one, but the load definitely doesn't need to exist there. So let's do some of this action. I'm gonna do VB. I could do like %X. Yeah. Let's do that, because that makes way more sense. So here's the load the config button. And then where's the save config button? There it is. Let's get this underway. Let's do a quick cut. There we are, awesome. Because I like the locality of behavior with watching the Primogen. That's one thing I've really subscribed to personally is they talk about Carson, I heard them refer to, of basically the creator of HTMX. They talk about locality of behavior, and I think that is one thing that I'm consistently a fan of. I don't think spreading things out makes much sense basically at all. And the complexity that comes with, you know, doing things slightly wrong is a lot better than making sure everything is quote-unquote perfect and then screwing it up later and then blech. So, I have subscribed to the cult of HTMX indirectly. I don't know why this isn't loading. Okay. I guess it just doesn't... The parsing's freaking out. No, it works there. Sure! Doesn't like big files, I guess. So, now with that being said, so now I just need to add a listeners. So now with the listeners, we're doing a type module. So we're opening a bunch of stuff. We're doing... Start monitoring is that. End monitor is that. Monitor messages. So let's do a new tab real quickly. Tab new. Or let's do EX, I should say. Not freaking going to the other thing. Then I want to go to monitor messages. Then from here, I want to then grab all these things. So, let's see. So I'm thinking... I don't like it being defined here. I don't like getting the document resource here. So I'm going to remove this. And then I'll figure out the rest later. Because what I'm thinking is that I should paste this here. Then I should do something like... Yeah, I have the exact same thing there, so that's awesome. So, I basically just want to say monitor YouTube chat. So I'll say monitor underscore or is it monitor messages? No, mm is it? Mm dot why is my dot working? Dot YouTube YouTube stuff, I guess. YouTube stuff dot is it not enabled? And Okay, I definitely need to fix that. So I need to go back to here, go back to the constructor. Dot args, I think is what I'm missing. Dot args dot, isn't it just like YouTube enabled? Or do I have to set it directly? I forget. Do I set it directly? Args update YouTube. Yeah, so args update YouTube is equal to true. Let's see. So yes. I'm considering, instead of doing this, I'm considering passing a function into it. Yep, you know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pass in a function, because I think passing in a function, although it would be more complicated, would be better for me. So basically what I want to do instead is I want to say, hey, if document.get element by ID, I think I hit... What did I hit? I think I hit like down or up, whatever. Or like command, I don't know, anyways. If I get the element by ID, start under... Or sorry, not element by ID. I want to get YouTube enabled? What was it again? Let's find you here, I guess. Let's see what you were labeled as. YouTube disabled. YouTube button. Okay, so we're going to frickin'... not here. Where are we doing? That doesn't help at all. Start, whoops, I was trying to search there, start underscore monitoring. Actually, wait, isn't it just, command L, I think? Command M? B? Oh, jump files, that's what happened, that's weird, that's not what I was expecting. Okay, anyway, so from here, dot, YouTube, what was it again, enabled? Underscore button. Button dot checked. And then I want to make this an actual closure, not a pseudo closure. So let's fix that. Wrong closing bracket. Yeah, I think that works out. Because all I'm doing is basically saying, hey, so check this. Yeah, so just get whatever that is. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to very quickly pass into here a thing that returns false. So I'm just going to say, you know, this is going to be a closure, which will say, you know, hey, this should take in a closure for runtime checking. Yep. And then what I basically then want to do is say, hey, after runtime checking, I want to say, yeah, what I'm checking is that. So I want to actually return that function. Like so. Yeah, like that. Because then what I'm doing is that I'm just taking in like the raw like thing, right? Like I'm not doing anything directly. So what this lets me do instead is this lets me just make active checks towards it, I think. Yeah. So then on start monitoring, what I want to do is I don't actually want to do... actually, yeah, so I want to see if, I want to make sure that YouTube's args is not null or undefined. Because it is, that's an issue. So if they're not null, then I want to do the YouTube logic. But I don't want to also get the... Do I want to get the API? I guess this is getting the messages. No, I don't want to do the messages here. I want to get the messages from over here. I want it to be hard-coded within this class, because if I branch it out anywhere else, that just makes it a fucking mess. So what I want to do instead is I want to do, what is it? It's get live stream. So I got get messages, which is cool, but I also want a get broadcast, right? That makes sense. I think so. I gotta get broadcast created. So the argument I'm looking for broadcast would be, args is going to be equal to the channel ID, channel id, which by default will be null. And I think the other way we can do it is with broadcast ID, I think. Broadcast id. I think that works out. And then actually instead of null, I'm gonna say this dot args dot broadcast, no, not broadcast ID, channel ID, because I'm kind of stupid. Channel name, that works too. Broadcast ID is going to be equal to this dot args dot broadcast ID, broadcast id. And I'm actually gonna make that channel ID here, because that is a difference, and I'm also getting channel name over here. Realistically, I don't think anybody would have their channel ID, but they might have their channell ID, and if so, then that makes life easier. So we'll do that, we'll do that, we'll do an F, comma, that. Let's see, we got that now. Yep, cool. We can then get the channel name. Let's see. This dot channel. This dot args dot channel name, and that's another typo because new key. Oh my god. Okay, so there's that. That's awesome and cool and awesome and awesome and cool and awesome and cool. So yeah. So what I will do is I will attempt to get from these, because I do have channel ID in here, right? Yeah, I got channel ID, I got channel name, which are two distinct things. Update results, yeah, okay, everything else is fine. So, what I will do is I'll try code the logic. So I'll say if, let's see, we're looking for args dot channel name is equal to, I guess, what's the default that's configured to? Undefined? Undefined, okay, got it. Where was it? I need to set a mark here. Get broadcast. Okay. You're getting a mark of B. There we are. So for here, we're saying, so sorry, I just want to double check this. So if I go up and then I go say, hey, I don't want to be here anymore. Mark B. Yeah, there we are. Awesome. So, channel name is going to be equal to, undefined. If undefined is a thing, I then want to call a pop-up. The title is going to be actually I'm gonna do this. If channel equals undefined and 7 key, okay, yes, and args dot channel ID is equal to undefined, because they wouldn't have the broadcast ID. The broadcast ID makes no sense. If title is going to be this needs to be a map or a dictionary, because reasons that are obvious, I hope. So title is going to say no YouTube channel name or no channel name given or ID in cache. Please enter YouTube channel name. I should actually just cut that out. VF to the comma. There we are. And then here I want to just say, hey, so you got that. Let's get you the message of freaking message. Message is going to be, you know, that. That's the wrong thing. Oops, that was my paste message. Let's see, quote, message defined as this. Let's see. There's that. And then we can do return 0. Because that makes sense. And then else. So I guess if I have a broadcast ID, I can try. Yeah, screw it. We'll try. It's probably not the best thing to do. And ours dot channel not channel ID, broadcast ID. Broadcast id. Id. There we are. That seems like it might be okay. So then after we got that, what am I trying to do from here? So we got that, so I guess I'll just comment this real quickly. Check if channel name, set if can load config. So let's see, we got the can, check channel config. After that, we then need to try get the information. So what I'm trying to do there, if I'm trying to get the information, is so we have the channel name. So then I want to do a search query, which I think I had saved somewhere. Yeah, right here. This is the thing right here. Get channel ID. So get channel ID is going to be that. I'm going to change channel name to undefined. Undefined. So if that works, I want to get channel name. If that doesn't work, then I want to get the channel name. So I want to get channel name. This dot args dot channel name equals get channel ID. There we are. Cool. Let's see this. So then now I'm actually gonna move this up because you get the idea. So then if that is equal to, oh, I have to return undefined now. Do I want to return undefined? I don't know if I do. Do I? I'm kind of defaulting to -1. I'm gonna default to -1. I'm gonna say if let's see, this dot args dot channel name is equal to -1, then I want to that is not the key that I typed. There we are, like that. Then I want to say this dot args dot channel name is equal to undefined. Undefined. There we are. That's better. And after the undefined thing, then I want to return 0 from this. If that isn't the case, then I can keep rolling. So this means that we should have the channel ID. So then it's just going to be get the broadcasts. So then let's see. So then we're going to see. I could have sworn I had this query also searched somewhere else too. My main issue is that I don't remember exactly what it was, and the fetch API always messes with me. So it's just fetch that. Yes, you have to make a promise for it. That's the whole thing I'm thinking of. So let's make the promise then. So, let's see. Let result equals new promise. The thing that I want to do is I want to do resolved followed by reject. And then what I want to then do is I need to add a comma there because I'm silly. And then I want to do that. And then so within here I need to do my logic. So what is my logic that I'm going to do? I'm going to say hey. So I want to say fetch this. I'm going to wrap this in a try catch block because yeah. See, so here's this. Then we're gonna go here. We're gonna do catch. The thing we're catching is the error. Then we're gonna do console dot log error. I guess I'll do the error, because yeah, that makes sense. And then I also want to then do let's see, pop up, and then the pop-up that we're going to do is we're going to create some things, which is going to be let's see, this is going to be the title. The title is going to say error getting YouTube broadcast ID. The message is going to say, hey, are you sure the channel name is correct? Question mark. New line, if this isn't your channel, you can't I'm just gonna change that to a double quote because that's gonna bother me. Let's see. Whoops. Hey, are you sure the channel name is correct? If this isn't your channel, you can't get the broadcast information from it properly. And then the details is going to be the error message. Did I not close it properly? I forgot that comma. Details and be error. Yeah. I think that makes sense. So we got the pop-up, which is that, and then the fetch request I'm going to make is, so I'm just going to say, hey. So what we're getting here is we're getting the let equals, what will this be? This will be fetch domain, fetch underscore domain. Domain is equal to something. That something is going to be the HTTPS / Google API, blah, blah, blah. That right there. And then, so that's the first part. Yeah, so let's see. So we got that now. So then what I want to fetch then is going to be equal to a thing. So what I'm going to say is it's going to be $, fancy brackets, fetch underscore domain. And then I'm adding / something in there, or just that, and then towards the end I'm adding and key is equal to $, whoops, $, this.args.api key, like so. So then I forget how I do this. Did I save it somewhere? I don't recall if I did save it somewhere. Let's see. Shall we be? Let's see. Broadcast. Do I wish to result to the documentation? Oh no, because I'm not trying to do that yet. I'm trying to find the channel, I think. No, because I already got the channel ID, I think. Yeah, because this should resolve that. Channel ID. Okay, so get channel ID. And then, yeah, I'm getting the channel ID right here properly. Okay, yeah, so then I'm basically saying, hey, if this is undefined, then do that. If not, then carry on. So, carrying on, we're going to do the broadcast thing. Okay, and then what I want to do is I want to do, let's see, if this dot args dot broadcast ID is equal to, actually no, because I'm getting this, so this should always be a thing that I'm doing. Yeah. So let's see. I do the try catch, so then what I need to do is just make sure that this is correct. So I just need to find the like / broadcast / whatever the heck. So what is the documentation that I need to read for this? Because holy crap, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. YouTube API broadcast. YouTube API get broadcast from API. Broadcast streams, queue points, API use case to schedule broadcast, associate video streams and broadcast. Information about the broadcast as video using the YouTube data API. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. Yeah, I got the API key stuff. There we are. Authorizing API requests. Crazy. Contains information about the information that you're broadcasting YouTube / live broadcast. So what this is telling me is that I should just do frickin' what do you call it? I think broadcast is what I'm looking for. So then what I should do is let's just do broadcast. No, live broadcast. Live broadcast. Oh hey, look at this, Volblit. Yes, it is Volblit. They have come here to steal cheese. Let's see, so we got that. And then the return that I want to get is, so we got the that, 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 we got the that. Is there no broadcast ID though? Tab description, publish that. ID, is ID what I'm looking for? It's highlighted, but it isn't telling me. That's not as uniquely. Okay, so yeah, so it is the ID. So I basically just want to say, hey, so on this, is it broadcast or broadcasts? Broadcast or broadcaster? Broadcast of television live or vivo. Yeah, it is. Okay, keep saying broadcast, so I'm going to assume broadcast. Broadcast and whatever thing, I'm going to add a note here, which is like warn, hot, API, access issue. Okay, so what I'm going to do real quickly is I'm going to see very quickly if I do something like this on my browser to the side here, if it is correct. So I'm going to very quickly do a quick VI of these. I'm going to yank it to my clipboard. I'm going to say, hey, buddy, oh friend, oh pal, you. And if I do this, / oh no, we're gonna do the channel stuff too. But broadcast stuff is shit, man. I really wish they'd just show an example of like the example, because like, man, it's hard to read. Let's see. Because I know it's going to frickin'. I know this like isn't it, right? Like I need to do like a freaking / channel / whatever the hell, right? So it's like, let me just check. How I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT because like, oh my god, YouTube, you need better documentation. I really did that another thing. So I searched for that. Got that. Channels ? Part equals ID. For username that. Search for live streams, VP search, part snippet and channel ID, event type, live and video, and type equals video, and key equals that. Okay, so what the GPT is saying is it's saying, hey, you're going to want to paste in frickin' all of this. And that seems neat and all, but that also seems like a giant pain in the ass. So, let's see, Google APIs, YouTube v3, yeah, which I got there, / search, question mark, part is equal to snip it, and channel ID is equal to, is equal to this dot args dot channel. Why is it not coming up with channel ID? Whatever, channel ID. Channel ID. Question mark. Part. Part equals ID. And for username, it's saying and username, but like that doesn't look great. Isn't that just what it is? And username equals username? This feels like it's going to error. For username is equal to, because normally something like that is like something that you need to fix, right? And key equals whatever, which is very weird. Also, what you say, Bubs? You should put Volbite in the thumbnail. Volblit. Maybe. Tempting, but you see, I've already done it and I'm lazy, so... Okay. What's channel ID? Filter the results to a specific channel. Okay, so apparently I can do it without the username thing. So I'm gonna do just a comment that out thing. And username is equal to that. Okay. Now why is this erroring? Don't comments always work? Okay, I suppose not. So that's cool. Thanks, JavaScript. I also thought I entered type mode here, so that's also cool. Let's see. So that's gonna be a closing bracket, because that basically just eliminates it, right? So it's like, hey. So let's see. So the fetch request I'm going to say is just going to be equal to, say, all of that. I'm gonna say it's that. Let's see. That, plus, just for formatting reasons, that. Can I not get that? Plus that. Plus, that argument, which is going to be interpreted as a string literal. Yep, like that. And then I also want to say, whoops. And then I also want to say, hey, you're also going to interpret all this. Sorry, bucko. And I'm also wanting to say, oops, I just realized, you want to be like that with a plus, question mark plus, that, this, yeah, that seems better. Search part equals, snippet, and, okay, I'm going to break this, because this will just be a lot easier for me to, like, parse, if I can, like, read it in parse, because that just makes way more sense to me. In fact, actually, I'm just gonna do it in parts in general because I think that just makes way more sense. Like that plus part I equals ID plus that plus and key equals that. So we'll do plus and the key is equal to that. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. That makes sense to me, at least. So we'll just yank that. We'll paste that like here, like so. There we are. So that makes sense enough to me. Now, what did the Bub Shub say? This is a travesty from Volbit. Yes. Let's see. What do you mean? Okay, so carrying on from there. So it should fetch that. Then what I want to do is I want to do dot then create a little closure. You just need to keep on trying, man. Then what I want to do is I want to take in the data from this. Like whatever the data returns, and I want to say console.log data. Yeah. I think that should work. I think that will work. I think that might work. I think there's a possibility. So, real quickly, let me real quickly off the stream go get my API key so I can paste it in. Realistically, nobody's watching the stream, so nobody would be able to do anything with my API key. Ha ha ha. So, let's go do that. And let's go slap it into the UI, because we're cool like that. So, let's see. Project. We're going to 1 city 4. Then we're going to say the configs. Then we're going to go to user config, I think is what it was. Open with oops, I just realized I was going to open on the wrong part. So, hey, look at that, it saved me. So let's just turn off the screen share just for a wee second. Let's see. Yeah, there's that. Let's do that for a second and see what we get over here. Okay, so there's that. Let's then re-enable the screen so I can see. That seems to have not been what I am looking for. So, let's fix that instead. What we can do is we can probably look for the other thing over here. That thing going to be, is it stream config? Nope. Is it going to be user config? Nope. Is it going to be global config? Yeah. Let's see. So we're going to do some of that. We're going to do some of that. We're going to do some of close that down. We're going to then paste that in here. Nobody will know the mystery of what that is. All right, let's see. And then we want max results per update to be, I don't know, let's just say like 3. Update frequency will be like once every, let's say like 5 seconds. So let's see what errors I get to debug now. Ignoring YouTube chat. Yeah, that might be an issue. Let's save the config. Let's restart it. Let's go back up. Let's go here. So this is all blank. Let's load the config. Pop-up is not defined. Huh? 274. What the heck is happening on line 274 in index.html? 274. That did not work. 274. Pop-up has definitely been defined, unless it's just not imported here. It's not imported there. There we go. Let's see. So we're gonna do import. What is it called? POPU UP from tilde / and then what am I thinking of? I'm thinking of lib / popup.js. I think that's what the link is. Let's reload that. So let's see, we got here, we got this. Paste the API key. We got the channel name, which is going to be Volbyte. Max updates per update. Sure. Let's do something not default, so like 3 and 10. Save config. YT is not defined. Where is YT being called? 360. So where is YT being defined? 3 city. YT.save config. Okay, so yeah, pop-up chat was an abbreviation for that, for puck, I believe. So YT-fig wasn't confined. So that's fun. But it's being used, isn't it? Isn't it being used? Where is it being used? Where does that come from? Where does that go? Where does that come from, Kanaija? Save config args. Okay, so if I hit GD, there's no GD? No, it's all the way at the top. Dang, boy. I would probably search all the instances of YT. So we got that. There's YT config, which isn't any of these. So yeah, it's just null. Okay. Okay, so I guess just do it. So we'll just do let's see, let YT is equal to new YouTube stuff, I suppose. I think that should fix it. I don't know if it will, but I think it should. I don't know why it wouldn't. Oh, I moved the screen. I apologize. Wait, I can just control Z this. Haha. We have fixed it. Moohee ha hoo ha ha wee ha ho ho ha. Paste Volbyte. Update would be like 3. You'll be like 13, I guess. Save config. Save config. I don't think that worked. Yeah, okay. At 110, there's an error now. Where's 110? Why is there an error on 110? Oh, because it's in the wrong file, I think. Yeah, 110. Okay, so 3GT. Okay, so that's actually like right here. 110. So it's unexpected closing parenthesis, I think? Okay. That's odd. What if we just comment out that whole line? There you are. Whoops. Save, please. Save, please, I say. Save, I say. Unexpected token at line 185. 185? Really? 185. What's on line 185? Save config equals that. Okay, so there's an issue up like here where like there's just not like a closing bracket basically. Is my sniff test. Yeah, that seems like a thing. Yes, then we gotta go back to here. We gotta go back to line like 223. And then we also gotta import YouTube stuff. Import YouTube stuff from ~lib/ YouTube stuff.js. Heck yeah. Let's save that then. Give it a quick reload. Stream link is going to be not that. We're going to go for that. Channel name is going to be Volbyte. Oh yeah, wait, never mind. My fucking API key is fucking IP locked. I don't fucking give a shit about that thing. 13. You save config. Save config. Okay, refresh. Just want to make sure you still load. Load config. Cannot read properties of reading. Of defined reading API key. Let's see. No config found in memory. Okay, so let's try find that then. in the YouTube stuff. Space, no space config. Okay, what about here? Is it in here? No config found in memory. Do you rename it? Okay, I did, yes. So, what am I trying to do here? So, we are looking for the YouTube settings. We're iterating through the list. We are going to attempt to save them. Wait, are we saving them? No, we're... No existing config. Am I loading it? What am I doing? I'm listening to the load button. Okay, never mind. So we're trying to get them. So, okay, so that's the case. Then it should be as easy to save, shouldn't it? So we go Vulbit. We'll go saving these. Okay, and then if I refresh, do the same thing, load. Cannot read. Okay. So now we have ourselves an issue. And the issue is going to be not very fun. Because no fun is no fun. Ha. Oh. Popcorn is nummy. Oh. So now what the heck am I missing? Y equals that. Okay. Where does the try catch come in though? Because it's not getting it. I see. So in YouTube stuff, I got to get the config. So there's an issue right here. Actually, I don't think so, because that's been confined. No. Okay, so there's something else wrong here. Okay. This has gotten weirder. That's what I will say. So we got the pop-up, we're saying this is a new YouTube stuff. I'm saying, hey, so YT equals get new config, or sorry, get config. Okay, I'm gonna console log that. Console.log. Loaded YT config is going to be a thing, which is going to be yt.config, or not yt.config, it's going to be yt underscore config. There we are. I think. No, because now, if I reload that, and I go load, make it pop up with the exact thing. Okay, so I'm literally just printing the loaded config was undefined. Okay. But if I save it, does it save properly? So again, if I do say this, then I do say, you know, and I hit save. So it's apparently saved. Okay. Huh. That is so strange. That is like so strange. That is like the strangest thing. Okay. Well, there's very clearly an issue with that either way. So, let me find a better song first. Is this a good one? That was okay. So, why is the save config and the load config doing different weird things? Because as far as I'm aware, the logic should be separated, but it's not saving anymore. So why is the save not working? Because I think I overwrote it the one time when I hit save. So that would be over here. Whoops. Okay, let's just quit that tab, I guess. So that's the load config. What I want is I want the save config. So it's getting the buttons. It is, puck would be, what is puck again? I forget what it is. Okay, so it's the warning for a specific message. So yeah, so I just defined, I defined one for, the args.api key or the args.channel name being null. Okay. And then, yeah. Okay, so what's going on with this then? So then, I thought I didn't touch this logic. Alright, what if we do just look up like local storage? What if we just hop down here? Can I change you to a dark mode? That'd be cool. I think you forget what a dark theme looks like. Yeah, it's a little better. Alright, so what if I do like frickin', you know, a good old local storage. Okay, so it does exist. It does exist, it's right there. So it is an issue with loading purely. Let's see, so we got the get messages, get config. Okay, so we're loading the config, we're doing the what is it? Did the name change? Was it something weird? No, it's still the exact same thing. Okay, so the storage is that, and all that's cool. Awesome. So then on the start monitor, what we're going to do, or the start monitor, on the save. The save, we're going to say, hey, do this. We're doing the click. We are getting the values from each thing. Okay, so like, what's the issue here that I'm seeing? Because if I do load, it's saying no config found in memory. Which if I scroll back up, because I'm in the index, no config found in memory. So I'm saying catch. So I'm trying to get the YouTube config, which the YouTube config is going to be, let's see, locations is equal to that. But where's the actual get call happening? Because I don't see the get call anywhere. I see the get call here and only here. But it says the loaded YT config is null, so that means that that's returning nothing. Okay. So it is here that it's getting nothing because I accidentally commented out the JSON? Okay. Was this the only issue? I just moved that up by accident? Was that literally like the whole issue? Little bait. Let's do something like 3 and then 13. Save config, okay. Reload the thing. Load config. No existing config found. Okay, it should say here, like, what is it? It's, loaded update freak. Okay, so that should tell me very clearly whether there's something or not. Making thing, updating the imports. Full config loaded. That sounds something very similar to what I want to do. Where's loading config? Loading config. Okay, then it's printing this from somewhere. Then it's saying No, wait, sorry. So this should just return the YT config either way. Like, regardless of that. Yeah. And then load config? Reference assert is not defined. Where is that coming from? No config amount in memory. Did you rename it? But that's on the assert thing, so that's fine. So I just need to re-import cert, and then I think I'm good. Import frickin' assert from ~lib/assert dot just. Okay, that should just run either way now. Load config. That's not the API key. I'm guessing it's to say undefined. Yep. Okay. Max results per update. Okay, so this just isn't being assigned now. So what does the YouTube stuff? Where is this printing? Okay, wait. I'm gonna add a quick little emoji to you because you just make things readable. I want the frickin' the little floppy disk loaded because that's a little representation of like what's happening. Let's see, I'm just gonna paste you, volbyte. I'm gonna hit the save, and I'm gonna hit a quick load. So it's saying undefined. So where's the floppy disk happening? I'm not seeing the floppy disk. If YouTube config equals null, it's not null. Okay, so what I want to then do is I'm going to do a quick console.log loaded config. I'm going to say got config, I guess, with a little thing, the disk. Got config. I'm just going to say yt underscore config. I don't know why this is suddenly erroring. It's not drawing any clear signs for me. So same thing. If we go here, let's do the quick load config. So if we do that, got config. Okay, so that's all loading beautifully, which is good. That's good. Okay. So then what the hell is happening over here where YouTube config is happening? Console.log loaded config that. Yeah, okay. So then why are you loading it as null? Okay, all these sections look to be like they're selected correctly. Okay. So like, excuse me? So what's the error that's happening now if I hit load config? No error's happening. It's just all being null. Why? Item YouTube.api key whatever is equal to undefined. Where is it being defined as undefined though? Because I'm defining this right here, right? And I'm just saying, hey. I think that's what's messing with me. I think I just got to, like, full send the other thing, isn't it? Because I should be importing that from, like, here. Load config. YT is not defined. Okay, no, so I do need to define it. Why is this messing with me? This shouldn't be messing with me. Why is this messing with me? Okay, so we got that. We got the click, we got that, we got the whole console log thing, we got any null values equals that. Dabba-dabba-doo, dabba-dee-ba-dabba-doo, dabba-dabba-dabba-doo. Okay, so we're saying we're doing through the list of locations. The locations is all the inputs here. And then we're saying just, hey, get item that plus that. And we're logging it, so we're saying item this is equal to that. Load config. Oh, because I didn't update after saving. So let's just refresh this. Cool. Load config. key equals that, item equals that, value equals that, key equals that, item equals that, value equals that. Why are you all returning null? Wait, am I looking in the wrong place right now? I think I'm looking at... No, I'm looking at load. Because I'm looking at that. I'm trying to get the value of it. Once I get the value of it, I'm just saying, hey, so get the item. As long as it's not null, console log the item. So it's specifically saying it's not null. Then after it says it's not null, it's trying to assign it. Oh, I see. They're all being... No, not all of them are being saved to strings. Weird. Oh, here, that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna do an else if. Like so. Because that is strange. Why is... You're supposed to unshift. Look at all those JavaScript tabs. Cool. Okay, else if. I want to say the whole thing here. So basically just all of this. Ka-chow. Else if that. Then I want to do that. And then what I would then want to say is I would just want to say, hey, else, let's see, console.log, value was not inserted into table. Because this just means I'm getting an unexpected value, right? So if I then refresh this, I then load this, and then I hit load config. Okay, so it's just being accessed as undefined here. Why is that being accessed as undefined? I'm just going to do this quickly. I'm going to say a quick let misig is equal to that, paste that, whoops, doink, let's see, and then we want to do the pop-up thing where I then, you know, say, hey, guess what? Let's see, title, value was not updated. And then the value that I'm trying to say is going to be, that. There we are. Let's see, like that. Value was not updated. Okay, awesome. So then what after the value was not being updated? After the value was not being updated, I want to say message is going to be equal to something that's saying value being dollar sign, whoops, dollar sign brackets, and then the value will be, what is the value I'm trying to assign? YT, sorry, I'm gonna say key \n key value value. It's gonna be like that. Value being YT underscore config of key. And then this one I want to be just key, I think. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Channel name is going to be Vulb. Save. That all is looking correct. Load the config. The config is 252. Where's 252 happening? You. What? So I had to use nan. or cannot be specified. Wait, what? Oh, maybe because it just needs to be like assigned a value, like I do something like this. If I do save config, I do the reload, I do this, I do the whole load config. No, it's full erroring. Okay, why is that full erroring? The results are right fucking here. That is so strange. That is so strange. This makes sense. This seems fine to me. So why is this going buggy? This should not be bugging out like this. Because I can see it's in storage, it's not being saved as undefined. Wait, hold on. No, local store. No, it is being saved as undefined. Wait, what? Okay, no, hold on. I need to save you as you. I need to save you as like that. And then you save. Okay, then we type in local storage. Okay, no, it's still saving correctly. Okay, saving correctly. It's still just not loading properly. So, like, what the fuck? It's loading fine. If I go back to here, it's like got config. And then fucking right here, it's that, it's fine. And it's like, hey, the config I loaded is the exact same. There's no issues. So what the hell is happening? This should not be like a fucking merry-go-round. This is already working. Wait, any null values equals that. We are saying fucking get all like the items here that have an input value, right? We're saying, hey, the locations are equal to like this, which if we expand is like, hey, so there's, you. So that's working. Then here is when the for loop starts, which is inserting each thing. Then we're saying, hey, location of that index of that +1. So basically this is just trimming the U2 part of it out. So when I save it, or load it, I guess. Wait, what? Why is that trimming? I guess this is meant to be a safety net for if... Yeah, I think this is supposed to be a safety net for like if there's like a YouTube underscore or whatever on it, right? And then there's the key, which is going to be the key. The item is going to be the item. You can see that's loading here. But then for some reason... wait, is that being defined as undefined? What? Value is equal to YouTube config key. But it's saying the key is there, but if I try and access it, it's not. What? What? That? Why are you erroring? YouTube config, YT config. YT underscore config is equal to YouTube.getConfig. It's not printing blank here, so why can I not get the key here? I swear to God, if this is like a dot accessor thing and it toggling back and forth between being a dot accessor or not, I'm gonna fucking numbers, letters, 3 and 13. Saved. It has been saved. I reload. I go back to here. Load config. That isn't working. Cool. But why aren't you working? Because if I do something like frickin' like, I don't know, frickin' whatever. Like this should just be like, map, or sorry, let map is equal to fricking, what is it? It's like let map is equal to, I should just realize I should increase this for YouTube chat. There you are. There you are. That's nice and big. So let map is equal to frickin' YT, or sorry, I don't know. Let's just do frickin' this, and we'll say like sure, value with the value of say frickin' lol. Right? This is like my sanity check to make sure I'm not going fucking insane. I can't do map dot value. Okay, I apparently can. But I can also do map dot value. like that. And both of those work. So why is the YouTube config here working, not working, sorry, but then up here it's working? Why is this working, but the other thing is not? YouTube config is not being redefined at all. So, like, what the fuck? Like, this isn't me trying to be fucking salty or angry or angsty or whatever like that. It's just legitimately, why the fuck is this not working? This isn't an issue of it being like it should work. This is an issue of like it is by all means working. The key is being good. The key is the only thing I'm modifying. The fucking item. Wait, item is equal to that. Am I searching by item? No, I'm not searching by item. So what's the issue? Item is equal to that. YouTube config is equal to whatever. That should not be that wording, though. That should be key value. That should be frickin' key, which is the key. What? Because item is not that. That's the fucking thing. So it's like it should be like ID and then it should be value, right? Like, okay, I don't know whether I did value, but like, oh my god, frickin' \n like that. Yes, thank you. Okay. So with that, value, that should be cool. That should be happy. That should be vibing. That should be great. That should be cool. That should be awesome. That should be great. That should be cool. That should be awesome. That should be great. So, like, fucking why? Load config. It's just saying the value is undefined. Why is the value undefined? Because the key is just the fucking thing. The key is just saying, hey, it's just the value. And if I go into here, we can see there's a freaking update frequency, or there is an update frequency. Sorry, that's incorrect. But we have things like an API key, and the API key is returning a value of undefined. Well, if I go back up to here, the value is very clearly not undefined. So, like, why? Like, what JavaScript fuckery is, like, happening here? Like, actually, please fucking inform me. 'Cause save, load, what the fuck? Loaded YouTube config. I can see it's loading perfectly fine. It is quite literally just an issue. I don't know what this if statement exists for now, though, which is my partial issue. If it's not equal to null, this really feels like I'm trying to, like, save it, but I'm not, which is what's weird. That's like what's messing with me the most is that, like, this feels like a thing that I should be saving, but it isn't. And I've been using just a lot of words that describes it as saving the config, when it's not saving the config. It's supposed to be loading, because loading the config is what I'm trying to do. Ah! What the actual fuck? This is just wigging me out so bad. Why is this returning null? I'm using the square brackets. I'm using the key. Okay. What if I do say something like let key. Oh frick. Oh my god. Let key is equal to value. right? And if I do, what was the other one? The map one? Like that. So I do map, key. I'm not fucking insane. So, like, where is it being overridden? This isn't me trying... Why is it not being written? Or, no, not written. Why is it not being accessed? It's accessed. I can see it's fucking being, like, saved, like, right there. Like, freaking here. We'll move the load config. Like, where is it? The whole, like, loaded config thing. We'll move that right here. Like literally right before the access. Right? Oh. No, I didn't mean to backslash whatever. There. Pow. Load config. We can literally see right before it comes up as... there's an update config that is spelled wrong. I see that. I see an update config being spelt wrong. That is understandable. That is an acceptable issue, but it shouldn't be erroring out on the other things. Update... no, it's up... DAET. Okay, what about here? Okay. That is a potential small issue. That was an accidental buglet. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do local storage storage dot get set item. Then we're looking for a YT underscore config. I want that to be equal to undefined now. What am I trying to do again? Oh, like JSON.parse or whatever. Comma space, JSON.parse, or whatever. JSON.parse. That needs to be a function, I think. Okay, so let's just do frickin' what am I thinking of? We'll do you quote is equal to undefined is going to be equal to frickin' undefined. Okay, sure, whatever. Okay, then what if I were to do, say, this? Oh, let's try this. Local storage dot clear. Cool. Let's see if that get item still works. Well, okay, that isn't working, so let's do local... Nope, it's still there. Okay, fuck you two. Okay. Frickin'... Can't I just go into, like, frickin' storage or some shit? You... Excuse you. Memory. Profiles, don't care. Sources, console. Is there no way to access just like local storage real quickly? That's cool. It would have been really cool to have seen like a local storage option where I could just like yeet a thing. But I guess not. Really, there's no like clear everything. That is awkward. Properties? No. Whatever. That key floating in there doesn't technically matter. I just wanted to clean it up because it would have made me happy, but I see this stream is going to be one of those streams. Okay, so let's see. Load config, undefined still. Why are you still being undefined? You were... This is one of those JavaScript moments where I'm just looking at this and it's like I can literally see you're fine. Is it because there's a comma? Or the plus thing there? Is that the issue? Is it literally just that, like, it's unhappy because, like, I freaking did a plus instead of the other thing? Okay, but it's at least loading. No, it's not loading as undefined. That's bullshit. Don't gaslight me. What is happening? What are you doing? Okay, one second. Console.log. Assigning key, to num. Okay, assigning key to, or I'm gonna say via string. Via string, and then via num. Via num. Yeah, it's fine. So it's just being... Why from here to here is it like gaslighting me into like thinking it's null? It's not fucking null. Why is this... Why are you null? Like, holy shit. Fucking, YouTube underscore, or sorry, that's YT underscore. Oh no, I can just use the mark L. No, it's not set. Button? Nope, okay. Frickin' I'm like way too deep. Okay, where? YT underscore config. Yeah. Okay, but like, why? Like, this is actually just pissing me off now. Because it's like, literally the line before. Literally the line before, it's saying it's fine. Like, yeah, I have a small hiccup right here with this old one and the new one not being the same, but that's fine. That's, like, not something I'm concerned about. My concern is that when I look at this thing, it's telling me, hey... wait... Item... Well, whatever. Sorry, I thought I was on something, but the item doesn't matter. The fucking key is what matters. And that's what I'm trying to look at. I'm looking at the key, trying to get the value out from the key. If I do this, I do that, I do load config. Console at what? 260? Where the fuck is there a console issue? How did I create a console issue on 260? Identifier console at 260. 260 is right there. Why are you suddenly not indenting properly? What? JavaScript. How did all you get down there? What is happening? Okay, yeah, then why are you there? I'm being so thrown off. Where does this go? Where does this go? Hello, Moonlight. How's it going? I am suffering. Why is this is a bit of a rage stream as a warning currently. But like, what? No, you go down to like here? I think it was. Why? Why are you... What? Oh my god, stop typing a fucking capital W! You're not a capital! Okay, what? Where does this end? Yeah, it ends right there, so why are you... Why are you indenting weird? That's not how you do. You don't go there! This stream has been cursed. I don't know why. It just has been. Hey Adam, because you understand code stuff, Moonlight, if you do too, feel free to join in. This is a funny little gaff. Why are you suddenly like undenting? What? Are you fine now? Oh, yes, you're fine. Oh wait, Adam, this is some grade A bull, okay? Like, let me know when you're watching, because like I need to share this with you, for like whatever reason. Cause like, oh my god, I am actually upset right now, like genuinely upset. Okay, you're watching, cool. Okay, I just want to explain this to you so you can understand my bewilderment at whatever the fuck is happening. So, working on Tib, right? Like Tib is currently down for the count. I'm trying to pick apart the brain, put them back together, have a good time, right? So, I was trying to do the networking today. That was my goal, but then I made a slight refactor and then everything broke and I have no idea why. This is the weird part. So let me zoom in a little bit because this is YouTube chat, whatever, right? So this is a little bit better, I think. So my concern, what is confusing me so heavily, is we will see right here I have two console logs right beside each other, right? So I have the console.log, loaded YT config, the YouTube config, and then it's just printing the entire YouTube config, right? Then immediately after that, literally immediately, I'll even erase the first little bit because it doesn't matter, like it isn't pertinent to like this argument. What I'm trying to do is I am trying to log a value, right? So I'm just trying to get the key. The key is like defined here. I can verify it's correct by eyeball, right? So if I do this, so if I do something like this, so the API key is numbers, the channel name is letters, we lower this to 3, we lower this to like 13, so we can tell that I changed the values, we save the config, we can see here, API key 1234, channel name query, max results 3, update frequency 13. So the saving works, right? Like, stamp of approval is good, right? Now, by comparison, if I just refresh to prove everything's gone, right? If I go down here and I search local storage, you'll see the same config popping at the bottom. So it's saved. It's in memory somewhere, whether it's on fucking RAM or disk, it doesn't matter. We can see it's there, right? That's the important part. So now, if I type in load config, it's saying everything is undefined. Like literally everything, nothing is being filled. This worked earlier, by the way. Hello back at Sapphire. Okay, going on with this mini rant, because like, oh my gosh. So, carrying on, if we look here, we can see right here, I'm trying to say loaded YT config, and then you'll see here, loaded YT config. It loads the values. I am literally just printing the map dictionary, whatever you want to call it. It is printing fine. There is no issues, there is no errors. It's in a try catch, I think. So if it were to error, yeah, there's a try up there and there's a catch down here. So there's an issue accessing it. It would tell me and it would throw an error. There isn't anywhere else this would go, right? And then quite literally, immediately after, the value is reading as undefined. And you can see that the key I am trying to access within that string is right here. And then you will see that the value that I'm trying to access is right here. It is literally in one line of code somehow going fucking sideways. Why? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? I don't know, is it trying to print the pointer? No, because like JavaScript doesn't have pointers. Like, oh my god, it's a high-level language. There's no pointers in it. It's just saying, ew. Here, you know, let's do this real quickly. So I'm gonna also real quickly say key is equal to whatever. Key is key just to make sure I'm not trying to get the right thing. Yeah. And then I'm just going to do \n. That isn't printing, whatever. I don't care. I'm over it. Okay, then if we reload, we do this. We do the load config. I can see where the key is trying to get. The only thing I can think of is there a space afterwards? Is that what I'm trying to do? Is that what I'm trying to do? And is it literally because of a space? Key is equal to key dot trim. I think is what the thing is. And I think I have to put in brackets, because like brackets. Is it the trim function that I needed? No. Is it saying trim is not a function? No, it's saying trim is not a function. Okay. You're going to go to bed because it's 12:30 a.m. right now, so bye, good luck. Thank you very much. I'm going to take a small BRB because, like, I have to do some laundry thing. I just have to switch it over. It's just not a huge thing. I'll be back in, like, 2 minutes. But, like, what the hell? I'm gonna do one of those mini walks and take a breather to try to figure this out. So be back in a second. Awesome. Ask ChatGPT. I would like to, but fuck ChatGPT. I am suffer. I am suffer. I am suffering. Hi and bye, Sapphire. Personally, I would press Control Y until it works again. The end copy and go back to the current code and replace it. Yeah, dude, I don't know. It's just genuinely confusing because I'm just sitting here and it's like there's legitimately no reason this shouldn't be working. Like here, like let's limit the context window. Let's just say we'll yank that, right? We'll go to the frickin' here. We'll go to frickin' the frickin' Jupiter, right? We'll go to a Jupiter. We'll go frickin' like hey, why isn't this working? We'll see. Isn't working as fast? Yeah, so you're just saying like potential issues. The key is correct, but is always returning undefined yt underscore config is defined with a value. Potential solutions. Key type mismatch. Cool. Ensure the key is a string or converted implicitly. I mean, it should be a fucking string. JSON.stringify. Maybe that's the issue. Is it's not stringified? It's no stringafugu. No gastrugity biggity. No gashkogity boigity. So let's frickin' drag you off again. So, like, YouTube config, when I load it, make sure it's stringified. It's parsed, which is debatably even better, because then if I go back up here, if I undo the floppy disk thing that I have here, the floppy disk comment, and I reload, and I go to the floppy disk, load config, and then where's that floppy disk? Right here. Load config. Okay, I don't want to do update frequency. I just want to do load config, please. Appreciate you. Here, load config, you find the little floppy disk thing. Okay, so it isn't being parsed? Stringify. No, I don't want to stringify you. It should just be parse. It should be just parse. It really should be just parse. It, you know what? It might not have saved because of the old thing. Load. So I'll go back up here. Okay, what isn't being parsed? Stringify. I don't think stringify is the solution. It was working before, but let's try it. Numbers, letters, save, load. Still being not loaded. This still not being done. Yeah, so that's the thing. Parse is what else? What other methods does JSON have? Just JSON? Maybe? Mayhaps? It was working before, but maybe not? Save config. Okay. I didn't look at that error message. What was that error message? There was nothing. Okay. Save message. Reload. Load config. Still not wanting to be parsed. Okay, why? Why deconfigure was that? Oh, wait, it's trying to get it twice. That might be an issue. Equals YT underscore config? Maybe? I know this can error, so let's do a try cache on it. Fun fact, if you didn't know, JSON could fucking error. Did you know that? Bet you didn't. Freaking console.log Frickin' go for it again. Let's go. Woo, one more time around the lap. Let's go. Ora. So I do see an issue. It's saying, hey, am I going to have to implement my own fucking JSON parsing? Is that a thing I'm going to have to do? Save, load. Am I going to have to implement my own fucking JSON parsing? Oh my god. Cause if I do this real quickly, right? Like here, I'm gonna like drag like Jupiter back as like, you know, the midwit. How do I load a map from local storage and save it as a var in memory that can be accessed. Just to make sure I'm doing it right, because it should be JSON parse or JSON stringify. I forget which one, but I tried both. So I got the map, save the map, log the map, load the map, equals JSON.parse. Is it because I'm not calling a new map function on it? No, because I don't want to. No, I don't want to do it as a map. I want to do it as an object. How can I do it as an object with a key value mapping question mark? Let's try it again. Oh, look, there's my key value thing. JSON.stringify. Yep. Save to local storage. JSON.parse with nothing fancy. So it is the fucking parse method. What the fuck? Hey, look, there's some of my JavaScript. Yay. What a time to be alive. With my friends and I side by side. It just, like, isn't being parsed. It, like, actually just isn't being parsed. Console.log. Console.log. JSON.parse. Frickin' YT underscore config. Okay. Numbers, letters, load. So this is being printed basically twice in a row. So it should be right before the floppy disk. It's not being expanded as a map. Am I having a dyslexic as hell moment where I'm not reading parse as parse and I'm reading it as like fucking P-A-R-S-E function call. JSON.parse function call. JSON.parse function call. JSON.parse function call. JSON.parse function call. Why are you gaslighting me? Do they do something when they're getting it from local storage? Nope, it's just load it directly, try parse it, do the thing. Is it because I did a plus? Did I do a plus here and that's what the error is? There's literally no plus. It's printing the raw object. There's nothing fancy being printed. I just don't want to code my own fucking JSON parser. Do I really have to code my own fucking JSON parser? Is that like a thing I need to do? Why do I need to code my own JSON parser? Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. We're gonna close out everything. We're gonna frickin' no, we can fucking we're gonna fucking I don't fucking wanna type. Okay, there we are. We're just gonna exit, we're gonna exit. Beautiful. Clean. We're gonna do npm update. Quick little update, right? Nice and cute. Nice and cute. Things are happening. The world is going round. The thing's working. Daddy Microsoft is here to pat me on the back. Fucking updating all my packages for me. Because NPM is something or other. Because yay. Man. Thank you, Daddy Microsoft, for hosting NPM for me. Yay. Yay. I am so hashtag blessed to have NPM. Yay. 5 packages removed, 5 changed. Okay. So, let us calmly restart Neovim. We're just gonna get a new float terminal. We're just gonna do npm start. That's what I like to see. Error loading initial config. I think that's fine. I think that's a separate thing that doesn't matter anymore. Command Shift I. Why'd that happen? Cool. Anyway, so we're here. We got this grooving. So, yep, the only issue was loading the initial config, which is fine because that's an old legacy thing. So, over to here, the buttons are working. We do this, that. Let's make you 3. U13 will save the config. Oh, look at that. It saves, it's accessible. Awesome. How cool. Now, if we go over to here, we go into my library, we go into YouTube stuff. Oh, look at this. Let's do 7ZR. Just open everything up. Nice. Look at this. Look at all this YouTube stuff here. We got the config, and I know now, in my heart of hearts, after saving and we reload, we can go back here. You can load the config. I'm still on the line! Ah! Dog, what you want, huh? What do you want, huh? What you want, huh? What do you want, baby man? Huh? What do you want, huh? What can I do you for? What can I do you for? I don't think he likes my anger. He doesn't like my anger because he's a little baby man. Why are you a little baby man who's afraid of anger, huh? Isn't that you? It's at the computer. It's at the computer. A stupid thing. You're not stupid. You're a smart little boy. Oh my gosh, those big flaps. What can I do you for, baby man? Huh? You want to go for a pee-pee? What can I do you for, huh? This little muffin is so adorable, and so small, and so fluffy. And he's being the best little boy he can be. Isn't that right, baby man? What can I do you for, huh? What can I do you for? Tell me what you want. You want some food? You want some wawa? What's going on with you, huh? What's this little baby man up to, huh? What's he all scared about, huh? Oh, my little man. Oh, my little man. What's my little man doing, huh? Huh? What you doing, huh? What's up? What's up, little fluffer bum? Hmm? What you doing, huh? This little fluffer bum is being weird. Why is he being weird, huh? What you doing, huh? Huh? What you doing? What you want? What you want, Noodle? I'm not telling you no. You just need to tell me what you want. You wanna go for a pee-pee? You want some wawa? You want some food? I can't tell you what you want. Hey. You're a little nugget. You're a good little nugget. Okay. Well. I've made the pupper anxious, so that's something. Okay, let me look up something, because if this is the case, then I'll just say fuck it. So, is WASM universal? Does WASM work across OSs? Cool. Let's see. Is WASM faster than JavaScript? WebAssembly does have some overhead, but CPU-intensive tasks like image processing still end up being faster in WASM than JavaScript. Cool. All I need to know. Okay. Fucking cool. Let's see. JSON parsing. Let's see. JSON.parse. JSON parsing steps. JSON parsing graph. What the fuck is... What?
What? People keep messaging me. I don't know why they're messaging me. What?
Sure. When did I send that message then? Okay, so whatever. Cool. Awesome. Cool. Awesome. 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 I don't care about that. I don't care about graphs. I don't care about graphs. Graphs can go away. Yeah, so... Am I just going to code a better JSON parser? Is that what I'm going to do here? Like, what? Because to me, that makes the most sense. It seems easy enough. Just frickin' from bracket, white space equals nothing. White space if it's a string. White space, semicolon, value. If there's a bracket, sorry, there's an end bracket, and there's that. If there's that, then go around here. Cool. Loop. Yeah, okay. So... That seems easy enough to implement? That doesn't seem that hard? Okay, sure. Welcome back. You missed me, like, actually raging. So, hey, there's the fun stuff. Kiro, what do you want? Huh? What do you want? What do you want? You wanna go for a pee? You wanna go for a pee-pee? Come on, let's go for a pee then. Let's go for a pee. Come on. Come on. Move your butt. Move your butt. Alright, I'm gonna grab a quick little doinky. I'm gonna grab a quick little doinky doink. A little bit of wawa. I'll be back in like 30 seconds. I'm gonna just pop over for a pee. Go. 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 Through the door. Go for a pee. Go for a pee. Go for a pee. Go for a pee.
If you sprinkle when you tinkle, be a sweetie, wipe the seedy.
Okay. So, by the way, I managed to actually get the pin connection right first try with my RAM card. Nice. Epic. Awesome. Cool. Awesome. Epic. Let's see. I'm now going to become a WASM person. WASM, get input from JavaScript. Because I'm now doing that for some reason. So let's see. Lib C underscore JSON underscore parser underscore for underscore WASM dot C. Guess who doesn't give a fuck? Doesn't give a fuck. Doesn't give a fuck. Int main return 0. C, the beautiful, the beloved. Can you pass a file as that? I'm looking for a thing. I looked into WASI. The doctor's left what I'm hoping for. Using WebAssembly, JavaScript API. Import my... We see I'm not coding raw WASM. I'm trying to code it with C! Because C is the language that we love to see, and that is what I like to be, is JavaScript without the...
I got a soda stream. It makes bubbles. I like the fizzy.
I got the bubble machine. I got the carbonated good shit. I got the good carbonated butter.
Ooh, that's some strong fizz.
Okay, so uh let's see. Okay, I want to go. I don't care about debugging because debugging should be really fucking simple on this. What I want to do is I want to go to frickin' where is it? Not memory. I want to go to, I guess, ChatGPT. Let's see. Using C, using C compiled to WASM, how can I pass a string from JS to C, then back to JS as a return? Question mark. Because this I actually have no fucking idea about. No. Allocate memory for the string, pass a string from JavaScript to C, Yeah, I'm gonna need to import those things. I forgot about that. Okay, so yeah, so I want to pound include standard lib.h, and then I also want to include strings. Include string.h. Okay, so I've never played with malloc before, so let's see what malloc does. Let's see, so we want char, which is a pointer to allocate underscore memory, which is going to be size underscore t of size. Whoops, and then return freaking character, or pointer to the character, malloc freaking size. If they don't include a free with this, I know that fucking ChatGPT is broken.
Malloc, give me all your RAM. I will consume.
Let's see. So I've never played with this before, so yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Oh, do I have eMMC install? eMMC dash version, or I guess dash V. Oh, because it's not EMC, it's eMMC. Do I have eMMC installed? Oh no, sorry, it's eMCC. eMCC dash V. Hee. Okay, well, it's running, so clearly it's installed. It might be slow, but it's installed. Cool. It hasn't finished. I don't care. Good enough. Bye. Okay, so now that I'm here, that's the wrong tab, isn't it? Yeah. What is this one again? This is another file. That's the same file, but a different one. So I'm just going to quit that. I'm going to close you, and then we're back to here. Okay. So what am I doing with this? So I'm doing... what is it? So I did the allocate. I'm doing then char pointer to process underscore string const char, which is a pointer to input. Okay, so I got the thing, process string, which is that. Size underscore t is size t of length is going to be equal to strlen input. Yep, cool, awesome. Frickin' we can so the return is result, just to make the compiler shut up. Result. Oh, that's not how you spell result. Result. I swear, there's like a lag from like the left to right hand on this keyboard for some reason. It's just like, dude. Okay, so we got size t, We got char. What do you need to allocate space again? Because what I'm doing is so. I think you might have missed this part, so it's fine. So for whatever fucking reason, I don't know why, but if we go back to my little Electron app here, this app for some reason is I consulted the Jupiter. It is consistently returning undefined. The only reasonable way I can think that that is happening still is with like freaking JSON parsing. Like my JSON.parse is just somehow fucking busted. I don't know how, I don't know why, it isn't giving me an error, it's returning is fine, but like the little thing is that I can't click on this to drop down. If I go up to here, you'll see that like this is how it's supposed to function, but it isn't functioning, so that's telling me that I need to parse it. And because it isn't parsing, I don't want to write a JavaScript parser in JavaScript. So I'm thinking, hey, let's make this a learning opportunity. Let's use a language that actually is enjoyable with fucking C and fucking have fun there. Standard vector string. Yeah. Those in that C++ syntax and I'm using C, if I'm correct. Because suffering. And death and taxes and suffering. So, let's see. What am I doing from here? Yeah, thought so. I was gonna say like I'm pretty sure it isn't, but hey, sorry, I'm like isn't C. GT. Okay, so now we're here. We're doing char, which points to results. A result, which is then going to be equal to a character pointer of malloc of length plus 12. Why is... What? Add process to input. Okay, no, I don't want to process that like that. So, okay, whatever. Okay, so... It's just get the input from here, return the result. Result equals, thing. Let's see. So we got that. Let's just do like car. We're playing Minecraft. Okay, so then. But now I need to also make a map, don't I? So you're like stat memory for const character arrays? No, they're technically variable. It's just that for some reason it isn't parsing. Realistically, I should just do this in JavaScript because that'd be the much easier thing to do. But like, fucking JSON parse isn't working. So like, I guess I will reshare the error before I go down this stupid hill. But so again, so like, what's happening to like reiterate is that so if I go to frickin' where is this? Get config, which is like down here. Get config right here. So right here, where is it? It is, yes, right here. Like this is where it's erroring, right? Because if I go back to here and I do the whole load thing, load. So a properly loaded string, or sorry, properly loaded map will be able to do this, right? The issue is that it's not. If we go back to here and we see that the console.log, JSON parse that, so it's just the two maps that are side by side. So if we scroll back up, so it's the one before that. So you can see that this one right here is just not loading. It's just not. Like it just refuses to. And that's using the proper JSON.parsing. It isn't in an await function, so it should be blocking, as in the thing shouldn't be, you know, doing some multi-threading stuff. The class is an async, so it's extra not like this. The loading should be blocking. It shouldn't be going fucking off on its own thread and doing some multi-threading weirdness, right? Save config, yeah. So load config, yeah. So that's the issue. Is like fundamentally it just isn't working. If I look at this, that looks like correct JSON, like it's key colon value comma key colon value comma key colon value comma key colon value comma. It seems to be correct. Parse should be working. if I do this and I do a copy and I go down to frickin' the console down here and I do frickin' json.parse and I try to call it manually like this, object is not defined. That's fine. I'm trying to call you as an object, whatever. Maybe it wants to like be called as like some special little frickin' butterfly thing. So let's go like this. Run it. Missing blank after argument. What? Okay, let's just try this one. Let's just do some of this. So we'll do that. We'll do that. Okay, that was a typo on me. I accidentally typed an L. Okay, yeah. So this really doesn't want to work. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to just freaking get rid of that. I'm going to say let my dick is equal to frickin' this. Go. Dick that. There's my dick. Admire it. Long, not very thick. Call me skinny peen. Anyways, JSON.parse. And then what I want to do is I want to parse my dick. It's not valid JSON. Okay, so this is finally telling me it's not valid JSON, but where is it not valid JSON? 1-6. Admires, thank you. But why is it not valid JSON? What's wrong with you? Okay, so what if I go to frickin' here and I go like tab JSON debugger. JSON format debugger. Bam. Process. It says it's valid. It says it is valid because it is fucking valid. It is valid. And then you can see that it's processing here fine. So what if I do okay, so here's okay, so I'm gonna say okay, so my dicks is equal to my freaking JSON dot stringify my dick, please. Have you stringified my dick? Dicks. It is stringified my dicks. Awesome. So, if I then say my frickin' dick is equal to JSON dot parse dicks, it's parsing. It's parsing. It is parsing my stringy dick. Stringy, yes, it is. It is in fact stringy. It is parsing my stringy dick. But for some reason, the value that I fucking copied and pasted is just not being parsed. It is not. It is not. If I go fucking here, and I go here, and I go like this, and I go like JSON error over here, come get it while it's hot, plus the error message, and I reload, and I go up here, and I go here, and I go load, I'm seeing no error message, because it should be fucking parsing! I really fucking hate JavaScript. I like actually just fucking hate JavaScript. This is actually miserable. This is actually this just actually fucking sucks. Write you application C. See, like, I specifically chose JavaScript because I wanted it to be cross-platform as easy as possible. My intention was to actually publish this to Steam for like fucking like $5 and fucking be able to, like, you know, like, not really sell it as like a company thing, but just kind of like, you know, like, hey, here's the thing, the $5 is a tip. compile it on like GitHub if like you want it for free, right? Like basically the Steam thing was meant to be like an ease of use, easy accessibility thing, right? That's what that was meant to be. And the fucking issue is right now, for whatever fucking reason, don't ask me why, but for whatever reason, JSON is just refusing to parse. Oh my god. My god. Okay, I'm gonna try our Lord and Savior Jupiter one more time. One more time with the Jupiter. One more time with the Jupiter. Why is YT underscore config returning as a string instead of being parsed? Question mark. Huh. I could walk off to my computer and write better parser in C++ within 10 minutes. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. That's why I was going to start writing it in C. So what does it say some issues? Here's the corrected get config func. Okay, so let's walk through this line by line. So that line's the same, that line's the same. The try get local storage, .get item YT config, that's the same. That's fine, that's the thing, that's slightly different, but whatever. Catch error log, pop-up is doing the exact same pop-up return. Here's the first difference. Strict equals, because JavaScript, right? So we got a strict equal. It's then doing the pop-up, and then it's just returning. Oh, no, sorry, it's doing the pop-up, then return? What? That does make more sense to do, honestly, but like... Wait, was this one of those jumps where the brackets randomly moved around and I didn't catch it and I've been fucking looking the wrong place for like fucking hours? But no, because it wasn't printing right. Load config. Cannot access... Yeah. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. ChatGPT, take the reins. Fuck it. I'm done. Take this. Paste it. Prove me wrong, please. Because I'd rather fucking move on from this. There you are. There's your little save. Bye-bye. Okay. Here we are. Electron. Reload. YouTube stuff. You. Save. Awesome. Okay. It seems to be saving correctly or whatever. Let's reload you. We'll go back up. We'll go to the YouTube config. We will hit load configuration. Okay, it's working. Sure. You know what? I'm fucking, yeah. I swear every comment I make is not grammar. Just like that one. Cool. Awesome. Cool and awesome. Okay. Hey, y'all want to see me do a Duolingo lesson real quickly? Duolingo. Duolingo. Are you sure you wish... No, I do not wish to remove desktop. Oh, Duolingo quit unexpectedly. Awesome. Duolingo. It crashed again. Awesome. Okay, well, in that case, let me open up my phone. Connecting to my iPhone 12 Pro. My 12 Pro. It's time to get to my 12 Pro. Time to get to my 12 Pro. Yay, it's Duolingo time. Are you ready for Duolingo time, buckaroos? Are we ready for some Duo-bingo? Some Duolingo! Help is ayuda. Escuela para bolígrafo ahora. Still, why are you a 10-minute drawing? Because literally, when I was supposed to start streaming, I didn't have my thing, and I drew this shittily with my mouse because my fucking VTuber software broke. If I show you it as an example real quickly, if I do this, I go to my library. This is the software I normally use, right? Click launch. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. It looks like it's launching. Black screen. It's just stuck here. It's a little spinny thing like it is in my computer crashing. You can see I'm still functioning. I'm still existing. I'm a little vibing. It just doesn't want to load. So here we are. This is where we're at. Whoops. If I go to frickin' here, I go to fucking up here. Neither of these options work. I can't click on them. It's just in a perpetual state of fuck. You should totally draw me a better one and send to me. Hey, if you want to go for it, I will use it until I get a better one set up. Like not better to like you, I mean better in like comparison to like, you know, the one I had set up. Like anyways, like until I get another functioning one, let me put it that way. Anyways, but yeah, so that's that. And then I need footage for a Duolingo thing anyway, so this works.
¿Cómo se llama la mujer en iglesia?
Well, I cannot speak right now. I cannot speak right now. Go away. I don't... No! Go back! Continue. Can't speak right now. Cool. What is the name of the English woman? Would that be Quiere? Quiere... nombre... la... mujer inglés. Inglés? No, it's like it's spelled like stupid. It's like inglés. Eh? ¿Cómo se llama la mujer inglés? Yeah, okay, fair enough. Got it. Do you have children? That would be tú tienes tú tienes hijos? Question mark. Usted tiene hijos. I don't fucking... I still don't know the difference of that. Ciudad alto con simpático pero... I know the words. It's just like forming the sentences suck. El taxi. Let's see. She wants to... ella... quiere... I forget what T is. I don't actually remember that word. It's te. Una... te. Quiere un te. Dude, Duolingo has done such a shit job of like differentiating like tienes, tengo, and like fucking quieres, and all these other ones. Like I've like already written a review for this thing, and like man, ticket is boleto, pequeño Portuguese café hermana. I'm sorry, what? Tiene dos hijos. Was it dos or? Y dos hijas. Cool. Baja. Cool. Hijo joven. Maestro hijos des. Yes. That's what I heard. That's what I heard. Banana. Yo no necesito dinero. Yay! El jefe es... I feel like that's gonna be wrong. Leer su correo electrónico. Lee, where the fuck does Lee come from? I don't know how to speak in Chinese. She's writing a message for the boss. Ella escribía meje para los jefe. What's the difference between class and L? Duolingo, you suck! No, I am not refilling my fucking thing. No, I do not wish to keep learning! Fuck off! No, you don't get the advertisement. You don't get the advertisement. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Bad. Bad. You did a bad job teaching. By the way, if you're wondering how seriously I took the fucking streak thing, this is my experiment. This is my grand experiment. So now what I gotta do is I gotta go to here. Fun fact, this is the thing that actually pisses me off right now about Duolingo is if you click the hearts thing, there's like it's like, oh, what should I add to learn hearts? Implying this is the only way you can learn hearts. No, if you go to here, you click here, you go to here, you can say like, oh, practice to earn a heart. Yay, look at that. Whoa! Awesome! Possum! 5. Parigua. Mas. To drink is beber. Semana is... I think game? Nope, it's week then. Is week. Partido is game. Pasaporte oficino. Yay! Sophia has 10... Oh, 2, because my brain read this. Sorry, in the something clase. I don't have to read the rest, just contextually it's class. 5 computers! Quiero. Yo quiero vestido. I didn't hear the este. I work on Mondays. Yo trabajar. I don't know what Monday is. Lunes. Trabajo el. Yeah, for the vino. He drink a much of wine. He drink a much of wine. He get very drunk. Yo leer en español. I did not. Well, the one time my faulty keyword has come in handy. Español. Yo, Leo! Where does fucking lines come from? I heard sombrero. Yay! Bolígrafos. Man, I sure love having bolígrafos. Yo no trabajo mañana. I think it's Yana. Yeah. El oficino. Oficina! Quiero 5 bolígrafos. I was about to say the bolígrafo. Por favor, fuck you. Este. Ah. Yo trabajar el lunes. Trabajo! Fuck! Oh yeah, trabajar is like the not me one. Yo leo en español. Yay! Tiene 3
Bolígrafos.
I spelled that wrong. Yeah, I suppose an H. That doesn't even, like, really seem.
La oficina. Yay. Quiero 5 bolígrafos, por favor. This is for the E, and then bolígrafos. Yo trabajo. Yay! 3. That's what I think I'm getting wrong. Bolígrafos. Bolígrafos. Oh, because they don't use the PH sound. Quiero 5 bolígrafos. Por favor. Yay! Bolígrafos. Yay! What the fuck is that? That's the first time I've seen that transition thing. Is that just the here's your pity thing? I hate these fucking ads. I keep seeing these ads. I hate these ads. I don't care. Fuck off, AI! Go away! Yay, I'm 297. Oh, I got a streak freeze. Yay! I wish for death. No thanks. Joke's on you. I already got my streak freeze. Fuck off. Or not my streak freeze, my fucking streak for the day. I have no idea what it did here. It seems to be loading the results, so I'm going to just be cool with that. I'll hide that because I don't want to deal with you anymore. Holy shit. Okay. That was eventful. I wish I could say it was fun. It was not, unfortunately. In fact, I would argue it was a terrible fucking time. So hey, thanks to those who tuned in. I'm gonna go drown myself or something. Not unalive myself. Just drown myself. I'll like resuscitate myself, so it's all good. I'll be back. Yeah, man. Fuck. Oodles.